A Samsung employee has stated that the Galaxy S23 Ultra would be released during the Unpacked event in the first week of February, with a significant boost. We now know that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be the world's first phone to use the new glass protection. It's really called Gorilla Glass with these two, which is a superior version of the previous generation Gorilla Glass Victors used in the completely fresh Samsung foldables Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4. Now Victor 2 will be the most powerful smartphone glass ever created, making the Galaxy S23 Ultra the most powerful device on the globe. Not just the S23 Ultra, but also the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus. When it comes to accidents, whether you are an outdoor person or if your phone often falls out of your hand, you need a phone that can withstand drops. Cracks and scratches are the most prevalent types of smartphone damage, and for many phones, a severely broken screen might spell the end of the device. As a result, despite the fact that phones are now constructed of glass and cost a lot, it is critical for a phone to have strong drop resistance. However, Samsung may provide their strongest phones yet, capable of withstanding more abuse than ever before. Thankfully, Corning just launched the Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which provides increased drop resistance and can withstand fall from heights of up to 1 meter on materials such as concrete and up to 2 meters on surfaces such as asphalt. Samsung will be the first to employ Corning's newest technology, and the S23 Ultra will have Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection this year, which is really amazing. Every year, Samsung produces new cases and accessories to go along with its flagship phones, and a recent leak includes information on some of the official Galaxy S23 covers. According to famed League player Ronald Kwan, these are the approved color selections and materials for Samsung's various Galaxy S23 covers. In addition, Samsung is releasing a new power bank with the Galaxy S23 series, and as you can see, it will be available in a single color choice. Now, for the Galaxy S23 Ultra stylus colors, it will reportedly be available in black, green, rose, and beige, giving us a clearer sense of the phone's color options. You may recall that the S Pen of the Galaxy S22 Ultra comes in a single color variant, black, with a tip that favors the actual color of the phone, but that may not be the case with the S23 Ultra, as it appears that the entire S Pen will match the color of the device, which is definitely a good decision made by Samsung. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.